Hello, guys. Let's talk more about significant figures. First of all, these are the figures that are significant in terms of accuracy and precision in our numbers. So, what are the rules to figuring out how many significant figures do we have in a volume? Well, first of all non-zero digits are significant. So that's simple. But what's up with the zeros? So zeros between these non-zero digits are always significant. Zeros at the beginning of a number are never significant. I actually call them placeholder zeros. And then zeros at the end of a number are significant only if they contain a decimal point. So let's do a couple of examples. Let's take a look at the first number right here. So we know that all non-zero digits are significant, so my 9, 8, 1, and 2 will be definitely significant. What's up with my first zero? Well, it is between non-zero digits, so again, this is going to be significant. What's up with my last zero? Well, it is after a decimal point, so this is also going to be significant because I have the decimal place right there. So this number actually contains six significant figures. All right, what's up with my next example? So we know that 1, 3, and 2 are going to be significant always. What's up with my first zero? Is it significant or not? It is not, right? Because it is at the beginning of a number. So I can actually show this using scientific notation. Scientific notation is used to write really small or really large numbers in a simpler way. So this could be rewritten as 1.32. So notice that I moved my decimal point by 1, right? Times 10 to the minus first. My zero disappeared. It was simply a placeholder. So now I can say that I definitely only have three significant digits here. Okay, what's up with my next example? 1.32. How many significant figures do I have? Well, three, because all digits are non-zero digits. So this is simple, three. Okay, next example. So my 4, 5, and 2 are definitely significant because those are non-zero. What's up with my last zero right here? Is it significant? Yes, it is indeed because I have a decimal point right there. What's up with my first three zeros? Are they significant? No, they are not because they are actually at the beginning of a number, so they are simply placeholder zeros. I can indeed move my decimal place from here by 1, 2, 3 places and use scientific notation to rewrite this number as 4.520 times 10 to the negative 3, right? Because I moved my decimal place by 3. Okay, so how many sig figs do we have? Well, from the scientific notation, this is clear. We are going to have four significant figures in this number. Okay, let's take a look at the next example right here. How many sig figs do we have? So my 5 and 5 are definitely significant. These two zeros between the two fives are also significant because they are between two non-zero digits. What's up with my last zero? Is it significant? No, it is not because I don't have a decimal point in this number, right? So in this number, I'm going to have only four significant digits. Okay, what's up with the next example? So my 5 and 5 are significant. What about these two zeros right here? They are also significant, right? Because they are between two non-zero digits. What's up with my last zero? It is significant because I have a decimal place right there. So in this number, I'm going to have five significant figures. Okay, let's move to the next example. Maybe you can pause here and try to figure out how many sig figs do we have here. So my 4, 9, 5, and 4 are definitely significant. This zero is going to be significant because it is between two non-zero digits. Will this zero be significant? No, because it is at the beginning of a number. So I can actually rewrite this number by moving my decimal place by 1 to there. So it can be 4.9504 times 10 to the minus first. So this shows me clearly that I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant digits in this number. Okay, what about my next example, 100.0? How many significant figures do I have here? Well, my 1 is definitely significant. I have a decimal point there. So this means that my last zero should be significant, which means that my next two zeros are also significant. Can I rewrite this number using scientific notation? I could. What would I get? Well, I could move my decimal point by 1 and 2, right? And get 1.000 times 10 to the second, right? Because I moved my decimal place by 2. Now, this shows clearly that all my zeros are after the decimal place. Okay, let's take a look at the next example right here. So we use here scientific notation right away, but will this zero be significant? No, right? I can actually rewrite this number as 1.39 by moving my decimal place by 1 times 10 to the fourth, right? So how many sig figs do I have? 3 in this case. All right, and my last example in this video. So the 8, 4, 5, 6 are significant. My zero between the two non-zero digits is significant. And what's up with my 3 zeros at the beginning? They are not significant because they are at the beginning of a number. So I can actually write this number using scientific notation again as 8.4506. By how many decimal places did I move my decimal point? 1, 2, and 3. So I need to add times 10 to the negative third. How many sig figs do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sig figs. I hope this makes sense. And significant figures are not that scary. Just keep your zeros in check. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.